Good day, I'm Babrosilas Baguio and I'm here to talk about silicon carbide and gallium nitride's effect on semiconductors. The advancement of semiconductor technologies, particularly with materials like gallium nitride and silicon carbide, is reshaping the future of computing, electrical vehicles, and also automation. These new materials offer superior performance and open the doors to more efficient and powerful electronics, which may have profound implications for these industries. Gallium nitride and silicon carbide semiconductors enable higher processing power and efficiency in computing by allowing devices to operate at higher temperatures, voltages, and switching speeds than traditional silicon based systems. This translates to more powerful processors and also GPUs, reducing energy consumption and cooling requirements. In turn, this leads to faster, smaller, and more energy efficient supercomputers and consumer electronics, paving the way for advancements in AI, machine learning, and quantum computing. In electric vehicles, silicon carbide based power electronics like the inverters used in Tesla's Model 3 improve energy efficiency, reduce heat, and minimize the need for bulky cooling systems. This allowed EVs to travel further on a single charge and reduces vehicle weight. In automation, gallium nitride and silicon carbide enable faster, more reliable systems that can endure high temperatures and harsh environments. These technologies will transform industries reliant on robotics, autonomous vehicles, and industrial automation by providing more efficient, durable control systems. Compared to the traditional semi Compared to the traditional silicon semiconductors, silicon carbide and gallium nitride offer higher terminal conductivity, wider band gaps, and also greater energy efficiency. This allows them for this allows them to operate at higher temperatures and voltages while minimizing power loss, which is critical for improving performance and reducing sizes of devices. These materials also eliminate the need for extensive cooling systems, reducing both space and also cost. The rise of gallium nitride and silicon carbide semiconductors will shape the future of computer engineering, as engineers will need to develop systems that maximize the potential of these materials. They will design more energy efficient, powerful systems that can operate in extreme environments, pushing the boundaries of AI, automation, and also renewable energy technologies. Computer engineers will also play a key role in optimizing power management and reducing energy consumption in various sectors, driving innovation in semiconductor engineering. Gallium nitride and silicon carbide semiconductors are poised to revolutionize computing, electrical vehicles, and automation by enabling more efficient, powerful, and compact devices. These advancements present exciting opportunities for computer engineers who will be at the forefront of integrating and optimizing these technologies to meet the growing demands of modern electronics and automation systems. Thank you.